Have you ever noticed a quiet change in your plants? Leaves turning darker than usual or a soft, powdery layer settling like morning mist? In nature, problems rarely arrive loudly. They creep in through the soil, the air, even moisture resting on a leaf. Fungal diseases like black rot, gray mold, fusarium, rust, and powdery mildew can slowly drain a plant's strength before we even realize it. But nature also provides its own gentle defense. Today's helper is black pepper powder. Black pepper isn't just a spice, it contains natural antifungal and antibacterial compounds. When plants absorb it in small, diluted amounts, it helps limit fungal spread, improves circulation in plant tissues, and supports natural immunity, keeping leaves firm and healthy. Here's how to use it safely. During transplanting, add 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder to 1 liter of soil mix. As you mix it in, remember, black pepper helps protect delicate roots from harmful microbes during their most vulnerable stage. For regular prevention, dissolve 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder in 1 liter of warm water. Warm water helps release its active compounds. Stir well, filter the solution, and gently spray on leaves to block disease before it starts. If a plant is already struggling, mix 2 teaspoons of black pepper powder in 1 liter of warm water. Add 100 milliliters of milk. This helps the solution stick to the leaves longer, improving protection. Stir, filter, and carefully spray affected areas. Repeat every 2 weeks or once a month as the plant recovers. Let your plant stay strong, clean, and naturally protected. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoy simple, natural plant care, like and subscribe for more gentle gardening tips.